Umomori wa nyumba na cikaro cia andu mugundaini wa kambuni ya East Africa Portland ni undu utigite ya Kenya ingi magitara hathara nene kuria ciuria nyingi ciiyumiritie cia uria thogora ya mugunda uyu yatabanirio ya Kenya magikungio wara o thirikari iroreire.
Habari zenu.
Umuthi ministry ya migunda yeyumiria kwaririria undu uyu kuria yakiriirie ruo kironda-ini kia aria mahutitio ni umomori uyu. Riu ministry niwe kiuga ndiakuruhanirio na njira o yothe hari wendia wa mugunda uyu.
Innocent Kenyans may have fallen into prey into the hands of conmen, fraudsters who should be behind bars.
The title that was used to hoodwink Kenyans to buy the land using share certificate is not a document that originated from this office. It's a fake document that might have been printed in River Road.
Kuringana na minista mweru wa migunda Alice WAHOME, gutiri thairi ya afitha wothe wa migunda yahuthikire maratathi-ini mauheani wa share certificate cia mugunda uyu nere yahuthikaga ni ndia ya migunda yari ya maigirira kuona yari ya afitha watigite wira ministry-ini no miaka-ini ya 1980.
Those documents do not come from this office.
They are using signatures of some of the members that have passed on or no longer work in the ministry. You'll find like the current document that is making rounds, the signature of the registrar purporting to have transferred the land to Aimima is an officer that was working at the ministry in 1980s. Unakuri
uguo ministry no nireganite na gukuruhanio na gutabania umomori uyu kuria yugite wira wao ti umomori no ni kuheana mataro manu mwene mugunda o wothe kuria ningi teterithitie ati gutiri mundu o wothe urutururitwo migunda-ini no ukwamukira marĩhi ma hathara kuma kuri thirikari.
Everyone should take their responsibility. If Aimima hoodwinked and conned Kenyans, Aimima should compensate the Kenyans.
The fraudsters are known. Those who are not known, the DCI has the responsibility of looking for them and bringing them out and bring them to book.
Umomori ugithiaga na mbere ministry no yoneka kurutira andu araria othe magikorwo makite migunda-ini kuruhanitio na thirikari riu makirutirwo notithi ya guthamio na kurutururwo ndagika o yothe.
Share certificates are not legal documentations to confer land ownership.
And you'll be surprised by the way that even JKI at the runway, there are titles that have been processed that were processed in 1990s and they are even charged to banks.
Kuringana mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya migunda Nixon Korir, Akenya ingi moire mweke wa thirikari kuhingira maitho huthiri wa migunda yayo na kumitua yao KIUMBE kuria riu Korir eraniire gukinyia undu uyu muthia. Riu thirikari igitanya kurekereria maritwa ma migunda iria yothe iyo irwo ni andu KIUMBE.
Any public land that is occupied by private individuals will be recovered, and I think they know themselves. We are just warning them so that they don't say tomorrow that we did not give them a sufficient notice. This should act as a notice to anyone occupying public land that we are coming for the land.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Machakos atongoria ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja matongoretio ni Kalonzo Musyoka Nagi hamwe na kambuni iria kuruhanio na wendia wa migunda ya Mavoko iria kurikanite ta Aimima Kenya ni ambikite cira igoti-ini ria migunda na maria maturigicĩirie kuria mendekithĩirie igoti rirugamio umomori uyu kuria kambuni ino yugĩtio umomori uyu ni mugaru na watho.
We seek, my lady, in the interest of justice, that you stand in the gap.
Thutha wa rĩanĩrĩra rĩa muthenya wa umuthi kuma kuri ministry ya migunda ri mukenya wothe ri mugunda-ini wegemaini na thirikari ni uritio kweherera kwago gwikore hatĩka-inĩ ya guthamio ona kana kumomorerwo mwako wake. Rini ya Kameme TV kuma nyumba ya Ardhi House guku Nairobi. Ritwa rĩakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.